Welcome to the tutorial that will show you how to register online for House League or Select. You'll notice the registration button at the top. There's also a camp. To register for camp, you'd have to go through the camp button. But we're going to use the registration button and click on it. This will bring up a new window that will allow us to register for the first time for House League and Select. We are not using the return user button. That will be used next year if you come back to Birchmount Baseball League. We've upgraded our systems, so we want to make sure that we use the new user button. Afterwards, you can always come back and change things. Right now, we're going to pick how old our child is going to be on the end of the year. So I've selected 8, so this person that I'm making up is going to be going into rookie ball. So you're going to put in your child's first name and last name. It's very important that we get a correct date of birth. We need a copy of the birth registration, so if you do this online, you need to either email it to the webmaster at birchmountbaseball.com or you can mail it in. Please put down an email address that is valid. We need that so that you can get your confirmation of registration. We also need your full address, the city, the province, and the postal code. Now the computer's smart enough that it actually knows if the postal code is valid or not, and here I actually make a mistake, and so it asks for me to do it again. So that's why the red button, why the field is up in red, because I've made a mistake. So I am going to retype in a fake postal code so that registration will go forward. You can type in if you want any more information or if you're interested in the select teams. If your son or daughter's got any allergies, please make sure you put this here. Now the primary contact information, this is also going to be the billing information. So you got a choice of mother, father, guardian, or other. Please put in first and last name and a valid email again so that we can contact you. Now this email here will be a duplication from the email above. It's a little counterintuitive, but that's how it's done. For here I'm making up phone numbers. It's great if we can get both a home and a cell phone number. This way we can contact you if you're away when the season starts. Also, the secondary contact information, often it's the same information as above, but often it can be something else. So please put in the first and last name. Of course, I'm making up these names from Star Trek as we go. And again, home and cell number in the fields below. Of course, the league runs on volunteers if you're interested in coaching, which there will be some support in terms of clinics. So please put down anything you're interested in there. Also, any other special comments you want us to keep in mind while doing the registration, please put that in and click submit, or continue, sorry. This will then bring you to this field. If you have another child, then you would select new player and go. If this is the only child you're registering, then just hit continue. It asks for a couple email addresses. You can leave this blank if you wish. And hit continue. Now it's going to ask you to verify your information and to choose a password. Please remember your password. This will allow you to go back in the future, edit any information in case you've made a mistake, or to register for future years. Now this is, you scroll down and you put in your visa information. I have not shown this information because a visa was required for it. Now it shows a mistake. I forgot to click on the waiver. You click on yes and accept the waiver, place my order, and what I get in the end will be a screen that shows me my confirmation of order, and there will be an email to the address I specified showing that I've paid this amount. And that's it.